Pupunta muna kami ng Uptown Mall. Yan si ate. Magsisimba muna kami. May 6 o'clock na mass doon sa may 4th floor ng Uptown Mall. So mag-church muna kami. Welcome to another video. Sa video na ito, explore naman natin ang nightlife scene dito sa BGC. Wow, maka-nightlife naman ako. Kasama natin si Lola. Actually, madaming mga nightlife dito sa BGC. Hindi lang siya puro bars, but madaming mga activities around Uptown Mall. Bonifacio Global City or BGC in Taguig is known as a hub for big corporations and startups alike. But after hours, the business district transforms into a vibrant nightlife. Whether you want to switch up your regular drinking spots or you just want to explore the lesser known but equally happening nightlife in Taguig, marami kang pwedeng puntahan dito around BGC Uptown Mall area. For us, masasabi namin na BGC is very family friendly. Madami ka talagang makikita naglalakad dito na pami-pamilya, barka-barkada, and they go out and look at all the places here. So if you're an expat, balikbayan, or local coming to live in the Philippines for the first time from a developed country, Bonifacio Global City requires the least adjustment compared to other living parts of Metro Manila. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends if they like food and travel videos, especially if they travel with senior citizens. Shopping is such a mood booster. This is why those who can afford it go do some retail therapy when stressed out or having a rough day. If a selection of upscale shopping malls is what you're looking for, Bonifacio Global City has lots of choices that you can choose from. It will give you a unique shopping experience and Instagram-worthy spots. One of the newer upscale shopping malls in BGC is Uptown Mall. Uptown Mall is located at the Uptown Bonifacio Complex in the northern part of BGC. Uptown Mall houses high-end retail stores, numerous foreign brands, and world-class cinemas. What makes it unique is that Uptown Mall is perfect for urbanities who want to do something exciting at any time of the day. It has a 24-hour cinema, restaurants open until 3 a.m., and various night spots. At the mall's perimeter front is a Las Vegas-style fire and water show, featured every night from 6 p.m. onwards for mall goers to enjoy. The Uptown Parade is a 2-level dining mall offering 25,000 square meters of alfresco dining space that houses the newest foreign restaurants and biggest lifestyle destination. And you know, one thing na na-surprise kami nung naglalakad kami dito is ayan o, nakikita nyo ba yan guys? It's a DFA center. So imagine, pwede kang mag-mall dito, pwede kang kumain, at you can also fix your DFA passports or authentication dito. Not only that, marami kaming nakikitang mga exhibits nung nandun kami. Etong nakikita natin ngayon is a flower exhibit that's open to the public. One thing na napansin namin dito sa BGC is the abundance of foreigners. Due to the presence of international schools and offices of international companies, BGC has a large expat community for many nationalities. And many expat social groups often have gatherings in BGC. The largest nationality groups from our experience are US, British, Australian, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and Indian. Marami pa kaming shops na gustong puntahan but it's almost 6 o'clock kaya lumabas na kami para to prepare for the mass outside. Ayan, so kakatapos lang namin na mag-attend ng mass. Ayan, dito yung mass sa gitna sa 4th floor ng Uptown Mall. So, meron siyang 12 noon, meron din siyang 6 p.m.
Ana Sunday.
Ana Sunday.
Wednesday to Saturday, 6 p.m. lang.
Ayan si Mami. God bless you. After the mass, ready naman kami maghanap ng kakainan. You can easily find Western and Japanese restaurants in BGC. There are US restaurant chains like TGIF, California Pizza Kitchen in the center of BGC, as well as local restaurants that serve decent burgers and other US food. Italian, Spanish, and French restaurants are also easy to find in BGC. At bago kami kumain, naabutan namin ng fountain show dito sa labas. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng fountain show nila. So nag-stop muna kami, binidyohan muna namin to dahil favorite talaga ni Lola ang fountain show. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel namin, makikita nyo na madami din kaming videos na may fountain show. So you can check it out, binidyohan din namin ang fountain show ng Dubai Mall at ng Okada para mapanood ninyo. O, diba? Ang ganda ng fountain show dito sa Uptown Mall, no? Grabe, nakakatuwa naman. Napaka-competitive na ng Pilipinas pagdating sa fountain show. You can compare it with the fountain shows internationally. What about you guys? Natutuwa din ba kayo manood ng fountain show? Si Lola, nako, number 1 talagang hinahanap-hanap niya palagi pag nakakita siya ng mga fountain. Tiyak yan, mag-aabang niya ng fountain show. Kaya naman kung may recommended kayong fountain show na napanood ninyo, tell us naman para next time papanoorin din natin.
Nandito kami ngayon sa fountain show. Kanina may kasamang music with fire ang background. Ngayon pulos na lang ilaw. Oo. Maganda tingnan. Wala dito sa ibang lugar naman. Different naman ito sa Okada. At okay, maganda din siya. Kahit maliit lang siya nga area, pero iba naman dating ang kanilang fountain. Maganda. Try ninyo, pumunta dito para manood din kayo dito sa Global City. Free naman, walang bayad. Oo, walang entrance fee. Pagkatapos yung manood, maraming kainan sa paligid. Okay. Kakain na din kami.
Kakain na kami. And so after natin manood ng fountain show, maghahanap na tayo ng kakainan. Grabe, sobrang dami talagang pwedeng kainan dito sa Uptown Mall. Sa sobrang dami, hindi kami makapili. Pero ang dami talaga niyang pwedeng pagpilian. May Filipino food, merong Chinese, Italian at iba't iba pa. If this is your first time in the Philippines and you want to try Filipino food, there are so many choices here in Uptown Mall. You can easily spend a few hours just walking around Uptown Mall. You can do shopping, window shopping, at marami pang iba. At eto nga kami, nakabili na kami, nakapag-shopping na kami, at kanina pa namin sinasabi na gutom na kami at ready na kaming kumain. Kaya naman eto, lumabas na tayo ng Uptown Mall, tatawid lang tayo papunta sa Wildflower at doon tayo magdi-dinner. Wildflower has been a popular brunch and bistro cafe since 2012, known for its creative menu that incorporates influences from the world's best cuisines and makes use of ingredients sourced from the best organic and local markets. Its branches also have their own in-house bakery that supplies them with a wide assortment of freshly baked premium quality breads, pastries, and cakes. With French-American cuisine at its heart, Wildflower's dynamic creative menu has since expanded to include dishes influenced by the best cuisines across the globe. So to start, nag-order muna kami ng calamari and salad. And then we also ordered the roasted bone marrow. Grabe guys, napaka-sinful ng order natin ngayon. Look at that bone marrow. Oh my gosh! Hello, high blood! And we ordered the steak. Kasama nung steak is some salad and sweet potato. Grabe guys, napakasarap nitong kinakain natin. And kung natatakam kayo sa video lang, you can also enjoy exclusive 50% discount at Wildflower Cafe and Bakery by using your East West card. After namin kumain, we just took a few minutes to soak in the nightlife and the lights dito sa BGC, and then magpapahinga na tayo. Tomorrow, uuwi na tayo. It's been a great time spending here dito sa BGC. Natutuwa din kami kasi first time ni Lola at nakakita siya ng very modern city dito sa Manila.
Kami mag-check out na, uuwi na kami sa bahay.
Ano masasabi mo dito sa Airbnb natin?
Maganda naman kahit medyo may kaliitan, pero overlooking naman sa mga tanawin dito sa mga mall, mga bar, may bar doon.
Bar talaga yung natuwa ka?
Oo. Unang gabi hindi kami nakatulog sa sobrang ingay. Mabuti naman sa 2 nights stay namin at 3 nights stay namin, 2 days nakakatulog kami ng maayos kasi wala ng hassle. Maganda.
Maganda din yung mga gamit niya bago pa.
Oo.
Mga beddings niya bago, walang amoy, hindi siya amoy alikabok, mabango pa siya. Pati yung kitchen, mabango, pati yung banyo, maayos na maayos pa.
Kasi bago pa siyang wala pa masyadong nagre-rent yata. Oo. Okay.
So, i-recommend mo ba tong place na to sa mga taong gustong mag-Airbnb?
Kung gusto nila pumunta dito sa Global City, pwede silang mag-rent dito ng kondo na ito. Maganda naman ang kondo, ang entrance nila maayos, parang hotel style.
At saka malapit lang siya sa mga kainan, sa mall,
Latten, sa Toshi, tsaka sa Uptown. Kabilaan ang mga mall.
Ayan, okay. So, babalik na tayo, uwi na tayo ng bahay. Maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola.
Bye-bye!
Sana dumami pa yung mga subscribers ni Lola. Till our next video. Bye-bye!